In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your name servers on Hostgator. This is one of the most important steps when setting up or managing a domain, because your name servers determine where your domain is pointing. If you're connecting your domain to hosting, moving to a new provider, or adjusting DNS settings, you'll need to know exactly where this information is located. So let's walk through the process together in a simple and clear way. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Hostgator website. You can type hostgator.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner for the sign in button. Click it and enter your login details. After signing in, you'll be taken to your main Hostgator dashboard, where you can view and manage all your hosting plans and domains. From here, look for the section labeled Domains. Clicking on this option will bring you to a page that lists every domain connected to your Hostgator account. This is where you can renew domains, adjust settings, or update DNS records. Next, click on the Advanced tab. This tab gives you access to more detailed settings that aren't shown on the basic domain screen. Even if the page shows a lot of information, the Advanced tab should be easy to find across the top menu. Once you're inside the Advanced section, look for Advanced Tools. This is where Hostgator keeps all the extra features related to domain configuration. Inside Advanced Tools, you'll see an option for name servers, and DNS name servers are extremely important because they control how your domain connects to the internet and which hosting server it points to. Click on the name servers and DNS option to continue. When the page opens, you'll see a Manage button. Clicking this button will take you into the detailed area where you can view or update your name server settings. If you have multiple domains, Hostgator may ask you to confirm which domain you want to manage. Make sure you select the correct one and continue. Once you're in the Manage Name Servers area, you will see your current name servers displayed clearly. Hostgator usually provides 2 default name servers, and you can copy or write them down if you need to use them somewhere else. This is also the place where you can replace the existing name servers if you are connecting your domain to a different hosting provider or service. Any changes you make may take some time to update globally, so it's normal for DNS changes to take several hours. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully found your name servers in your Hostgator dashboard. Knowing how to access this information will save you time and make your website setup process much smoother, especially if you're building websites for clients or managing multiple domains. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found the steps easy to follow. If you'd like more helpful guides on hosting, domains, and website setup, be sure to check out the rest of my videos. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next one.